Let me show you the strategy I'm using right now for you trading buy limit and sell limit strategy. So let me show you right now. All what you need to do, just come to this market area. It's that simple. Come to market area here. Then then I want to trade this particular coin SRP right now. SRP. I'll click on it. I will not use the current price to buy or sell. So let me just go to my trading view right now. I will use either this one or this one. This particular bot is for spot, and this one is for futures. So let's say I want to trade futures. I'll click on it. Then I will now select SRP. Then I will not select this particular one. No, AIDC. No. I'll select this one. Sorry. I will select this one. This particular one. Sorry. Can you see this particular one? AI DCA. This one is manual. So right now, but I will not try. I will just go for long. Let me check the current price of the market first on TradingView. Let me just go to my TradingView. So this is my TradingView. All right, the current price is around $3. So I'll check it. Okay, I normally use 1 hour for my confirmation. So I'll just try to buy at this particular swing low at this point, and the market is very near to that place. Can you see 29429? That is the area I want to buy. 2.95 or 2.94, whatever. Let me just use 2.95. Simple. All right, 2.95. That's what I want to buy, that area on this particular level. So let me just use 2.95. Let me just go to my trading right now. So this is my trading. This is my UTrading. I will now come to this particular area. I will not use immediately. I will now use trigger price. Can you see trigger price? All right, I will just use 2.95. You can see that is my buy limit order. I will now click on save right now. You can see. Don't forget, I choose this particular one. DCA is not this one. No. So I use what? DCA. That is the strategy that is working right now. So now you can use it either on spots or or futures. So let me just click on this one. Let me just use 10s leverage. Yeah, 10s leverage. All right. 10s leverage. So then I can try to. This one will give you about 99 is around. You can, if you want to get the price of this particular price you use, all right, you will just divide this particular 999 by 10. You can see, divided by 10 will give you about, you are using $100, but I will not use $100 to trade. I will just use either, I can use, let's say $25 times 10. So I'll just make sure that area is 250. All right, $25. I can, oh yeah, all right, I can use $25 is okay, times 10, 250. All right, so right now I'll just make sure to the gap here. I can use like 3 orders. Since I want to buy like 3 orders. The 3 orders here, $25 each. All right, okay, I can use like 2% drop. Yeah, and there's this one, 2% drop. All right, so it's okay. So now I'm okay with that. Then this area, I'll make sure this area is around 250. You can see it's around 249, so I'm okay. Or you can just, this one is around 500. That is $50, but this one I'll just use 250. It's okay. I'm okay with 250. Around 248 is also okay. So I will just leave it that way. Then my take profit can be 2% or 1 point. Take profits. Let me just use around 2%. 2% is okay for my take profit. Customize. So I'm okay with that. You can see everything. I want to make it at 2% drop. sorry, 2%. Let me just make it 2% like this. I'm okay with that. So you can see I've already dropped it in case the market keep dropping. So I used 3 orders, but I didn't use big loss, big level, because I just want to keep buying. So my trigger price is around to what? 2.95. Don't forget. I'll just try to launch. Simple. 2.95. It's that simple. You can see waiting. The market is waiting on my what? On my trigger price. All right, on my can you see the trigger price? Can you see this is trigger price condition 2.95? It's that simple, guys. So you can also use it also on the you can also use it on spot, wherever you want to go for. You can trade it on spot. This is spot trading 2.95. Spot is very simple, no any requirement. This is spot. And you see, you come to this DCA. All right, then the trigger price 2.95. You can see 2.95. Simple. Then the size multiple, I can use 3 orders as well. 3 orders on my spot. This one, I just size 1 I'm okay. Then the price gap, I can use 2. Yeah, after 3% drop, you can see like this. It's that simple. Then my take profit can be 2%. It's that simple. You can see. Then this one is this one is spot trading. So let's say I want to buy with $50 per coin. You can use, all right, $50 per coin. I'm okay with that. Then you can see. So I'll just click on launch. Simple. It's that simple. So you can use it either on spot. Then can you see all the boat is waiting for my trigger price? You can see this here. This one is spot, and this one, which where is my trigger price? The trigger price is 2.95. Okay, let me check it very well. Maybe I made a mistake. 2.95 is my, oh sorry, I made a mistake. 2.95, 2.95. It's that simple. I'm okay with that. Then also this one is waiting at 2.95 on this one as well. So that simple. This is the trigger price. You can see condition price 2.95. So it will trigger, and the current price is $3 right now. You can see it's that simple, guys. It's very, very simple. So be using this particular strategy if you want to. Don't buy at the current price to make more money for yourself. It's that simple and easy to trade on UTrading AI bots. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye for now.